Green Screen Saga.
We were trying to make the Green Screen Saga not look like most other kid shows, sort of trusting the intelligence of the audience, slower moving camera work, fewer cuts, simple compositions, letting the actors have their space to do their thing. What's been really fun shooting the Green Screen Saga is just the creative flexibility that we've been allowed. 𝗀𝗡 is very conducive to any interesting ideas we really throw at him, as long as they don't totally derail the schedule of the day. So it's been really fun. We've been doing a lot of weird jib stuff, flipped the camera over a couple of times. This has been a really fun show to work on, very creatively rewarding, much more so than a lot of other projects I've done. Yeah, it's a different space to work in. I'm used to working with, a lot of very dark, kind of moody subject matters. I direct a lot too, and it's usually very intense things. So it's nice to kind of step aside from that and just come into a very bright, fun, colorful world, but still bringing some of the artistic sensibilities of the darker projects to that, to just have a very eclectic, kinetic, interesting visual style.